Right now, as you watch this, something is happening inside your body that most doctors never talk about. It's silent, it's invisible, and it's the reason why your diets keep failing, your energy keeps crashing, and your body refuses to cooperate no matter what you try. What if I told you the problem isn't your willpower? It isn't your metabolism. It starts right here, in your gut. Here's what they never taught you in school. Inside your gut right now, there are 38 trillion microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, even viruses. They control your mood. They control your weight. They control your immune system. When this gut ecosystem is balanced, you feel unstoppable. But when it's broken, every single system in your body starts to collapse from the inside out. And here's the terrifying part. 70% of people walking around right now have a broken gut and have no idea. Let me ask you something. Do you feel bloated even when you barely ate? Do you wake up tired no matter how many hours you sleep? Do you struggle with brain fog, mood swings, or unexplained weight gain? Do you get sick constantly or feel like your body is always fighting something? If you nodded at even one of those, your gut is screaming for help. And what you're about to learn in the next few minutes could completely change the way you feel in just 5 days. You've tried diets, you've tried supplements, maybe even cleanses, but nothing worked long term. And here's why. You were fixing the symptoms, not the source. Think of your gut like a locked door. Everything in your body, your hormones, your brain, your immune system, your metabolism, everything is behind that door. And until you unlock it, nothing gets through. No diet, no workout, no supplement will work the way it should, because the gut is the foundation, and nobody told you that until right now. What I'm about to share with you is a 5-day protocol used by functional medicine practitioners and gut specialists around the world. It's not a crash diet. It's not a detox tea. It's a science-backed reset that targets the 3 root causes of gut dysfunction, and it works fast. In just 5 days, people report better sleep, less bloating, sharper focus, and something almost impossible to describe. A feeling that your body is finally working with you instead of against you. So let's break it down. Day by day, day 1, remove the saboteurs. Before you add anything good, you must stop adding the bad. On day 1, you eliminate the 4 gut destroyers: refined sugar, which feeds harmful bacteria like fuel on a fire; processed foods, which contain gut-lining chemicals called emulsifiers; alcohol, which kills beneficial bacteria within hours; and seed oils, canola, soybean, sunflower, which trigger gut inflammation. Just removing these 4 for 1 day begins to shift your gut environment. The bad bacteria start to starve. The healing can begin. Day 2. Feed your inner army. Your gut has 500 species of bacteria fighting for your health, but they're starving. On day 2, you introduce fermented foods: sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, yogurt, kombucha. These foods carry live beneficial bacteria directly into your gut. They replenish what years of bad diet, antibiotics, and stress have wiped out. You don't need a fancy probiotic pill. Nature already made the perfect delivery system. And when these warriors get fed, they start rebuilding your gut wall, the protective barrier between your bloodstream and everything trying to poison it. Day 3. Feed the builders. Your good bacteria need fuel to thrive. That fuel is prebiotic fiber, found in garlic, onions, leeks, bananas, oats, and asparagus. These aren't just foods. They're construction materials for your gut ecosystem. Eat them, and your bacteria multiply. Day 4. Seal the walls. Here's something chilling. Millions of people have what's called leaky gut. Microscopic holes in the gut lining let toxins and undigested food particles escape into the bloodstream. The fix? Bone broth, collagen, and L-glutamine. These compounds literally repair the gut wall, closing those holes one by one, silently, powerfully. Day 5. The shift happens. By now, something remarkable is occurring inside your body. The inflammation is dropping. The bacterial balance is shifting. The gut wall is healing. Most people who reach day 5 report something they haven't felt in years. They wake up and actually feel rested. Their mind is clearer. Their belly isn't fighting them anymore. This is not magic. This is not luck. This is your body doing exactly what it was designed to do when you finally give it what it needs. And this is just the beginning. Here's the truth. Nobody wants to say out loud, every single day you ignore your gut is a day your whole body pays the price. Your hormones can't balance, your brain can't focus, your immune system can't protect you, and your body can't lose the weight it desperately needs to lose. But the reverse is also true. 5 days. That's all it takes to begin undoing years of damage. 5 days to reset the foundation of your entire health. The foods are simple. The protocol is clear. The results are real. You've already taken the first step by watching this video. Now take the next one. Share this with someone whose body deserves better. Leave a comment. What symptom are you most ready to let go of? And follow for part 2, where we go deeper on the exact meal plan, day by day. Pause. Your gut has been waiting for this moment. Don't make it wait any longer.